Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Unboxing Adventures. But before we get to our box, let's open up a nice beer, shall we? Maker a Laker, my friend. Woo! That's what's on tap this week. Oh, and a few people have commented about my beer is good sign. That's part of an actual pamphlet that came wrapped around a free can of Laker beer many years ago when Laker was $1 a bottle. It's not $1 a bottle now. So yes, this is from Laker. Maker a Laker. Woo! Drink up, Buttercup. Garshiks. Okay, so this box is a cardboard box. It is 10 inches by 5 inches by 7 inches and weighs 2.6 kilos. So that's about 5 1/4 pounds. This box was sent to me by a viewer and subscriber and said they wanted to send me something. I don't know what it is, but there it is. Woo! So let's open this up, shall we? Let's do this carefully. It's heavy, and like it doesn't make any shaking sounds. It's like a fucking brick or something. This is very interesting. It could be a bomb, it could be anything. Well, I kind of trust this person, so I don't think it's anything like that. Or I have another box to open up that I don't know what's in it. That one kind of scares me, and I know that person pretty well. Maybe he wants to be a practical fucking joker or something. Uh-oh, there's a note with pink paper. Oh, it's a card. Well, it has a definite smell to it. Spicy! Well, let's see what's going on here. Birthday greetings. It's not my birthday. My birthday is months away. There's all kinds of things in here. Look out. I can't read it out loud. Oh, there's nothing in it. Alright. Good? Oh, there's all kinds of cards. It's to help pack it, I guess. Good, 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 good. Alright, I can definitely smell cumin. I can definitely smell that. So, I know this is taking forever. You gotta be careful with these things. Don't know what's here. Wow. Holy crap. That's a lot of chili powder. Chili powder. Can only smell cumin. Cumin. Ground cumin. That's ground. Oh, that's fucking awesome. Look at that, eh? Fucking hell. That's beauty. Pink dust. It's pink dust. It's heavy, so that's gotta be fucking salt. That's fucking heavy right there. Yep, salt. So pink salt. Like Himalayan stuff, not pink salt like as in the stuff you would use for curing your meats. It's not a curing salt. Nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Paprika. It's paprika. Yep. Right on. That's fucking awesome. Woohoo! Right on. I guess I'm set for a while for some spices, eh? Thank you very much. That's fucking amazing. Wait. It is about the unboxing. There still is stuff in there. Those are those cards, and there you go. Nice. Oh, Christmas too. Noel. All right, bitches. Fuck yeah. Paprika. Pink dust. Chili powder. Cumin. Woohoo! I'm set. Means I gotta start cooking more stuff. Cheers. Generous ears. Woo! Thank you very much. RTFO, mofos. Until it's time for another unboxing. Drink up, buttercup. Fuck, that smells good. And that tastes good. Woo! Right on. Arrivederci Roma. Take it easy. Piano, piano.